We are about to run some cube in Wise. If it let me. Alright, there we go. Starts off, you can hear the music pretty well. You also hear the metal footsteps. Let's find some sand. Sand is sanding. Let's load up another map here. Let's go to the little resort. The nudist colony, apparently is what it's called. And you can hear splashing the water, stepping on tile, shooting an ice beam. Let's shoot some thunderbolts. Alright, and let's go find some poison darts. Somewhere around here. Nope, not there. There they are. Yep, pretty fun. Let's finish off with this fireball. With a little tail at the end. Splashing in, and I'm having trouble with the water. I'll talk about that in a second. Let's see if I... There we go. It should, in a second, reboot. And I'll show once again, I'm going to hurt myself. That's weird. It should be... Huh. Okay, you could faintly hear... There we go. Not dead, but it's still there. And then I die. Okay. Let's load that up again. Oh yeah, I forgot there's a staff as well. So if I do one... that staff. Alright. Okay. Let's quit and let's just show you what kind of stuff I was doing in Wise. For the player character, I have all this down here. These different ones. A lot of stuff that I didn't use because I don't know, I guess I put in a ton of files and just decided not to use that audio. But it was fun using the ones I did use. There's all my events in main. Should be in main. Yep, there they all are. And here's the thing with underwater that I'm not really getting. I might want to ask you or something. If we go here, we have the player in water. And if they are in water, you should be able to hear them. 100% in water. Alright, there it is. There they are in the water. States. You can hear it, you can see it bubbling, and they're not in the water. And now they are in the water. And I'm just wondering, it's in the player character, and it's also in map loaded here. So I'm just wondering why that's not doing it. It is on a loop. So, not sure. But yeah, there's my project. I hope that's good. Sorry about that underwater. Might talk to you about that later. Yeah, that's Mitchel Murdock and his Wise Wizard grand finale.